If you're using ChatGPT to write summaries, rewrite emails, and generate lists, you're building a faster hamster wheel, not a leadership career path. Strategic professionals use AI differently. In this video, I'll show you 5 prompt upgrades to change how you think about ChatGPT. Start using it as part of your strategy stack to help you clarify complexity, stress test strategic direction, and prepare and reshape conversations before they ever happen. In this video, you'll walk away with copy-paste prompts that help you go from executing work to leading it. Let me show you how to make that shift. Stick with me. The 4th upgrade is where most people have their breakthrough. Speed gets you more work. Strategic clarity gets you more influence. So let's upgrade your approach through 5 levels, 1 prompt at a time. Level 1, build decision structures. You've probably asked ChatGPT something like, which tool should I use? That's fine for quick answers, but that's taskbot level. At the think tank level, your prompt sounds more like this. Help me build a scoring model to compare these tools across impact, integration effort, and adoption risk. Weigh each factor, then rank the options. See the shift? That's not just chasing the right answer anymore. You're showing your reasoning. Executives don't just want conclusions. They want to see how you think. When you start structuring prompts like this, you're teaching the AI to think like you, not for you. And the next time you're in a meeting walking through options, you'll already have the decision model laid out. That's leadership thinking, framing choices before they're ever discussed. Level 2, test assumptions early. We've all done it. Ask ChatGPT, does this plan make sense? That's surface level validation. Go deeper. What are the 3 biggest assumptions in this proposal, and what evidence would prove them wrong? How might each assumption fail under pressure? Now you're in think tank mode. You're not asking for feedback, you're taking ownership of risk before it bites you in the review. Here's why that matters. Most people use AI to confirm what they already believe. Strategic leaders use it to stress test their thinking before it even hits the room. So the next time you bring a plan to leadership, you already have the counter arguments covered. That's not just smart, it's risk leadership. Level 3, simulate scenarios. Here's the usual move. What could go wrong? Now, that's a good instinct, but it's reactive. Instead, try this. Play out 2 realistic ways the project could fail in the next 90 days. For each scenario, what early warning signals should I watch for? And what can I do now to prepare? Now we're building anticipation capacity. This isn't listing risks, it's about building systems of foresight. Strategic leaders don't just see problems, they see them coming. When you train ChatGPT to simulate scenarios, you're effectively running mental fire drills. And the next time something goes sideways, you're calm because you've already played the tape. Stick with me because the next upgrade is the one most mid-career professionals miss. And it's the difference between reacting and reshaping. Level 4, shape strategic questions. This is the move that separates task doers from decision shapers. You've probably said, make this strategy document clearer. That's taskbot mode. Try this. What questions would a skeptical CFO and a cautious VP of product ask about this strategy? List the 5 hardest questions and help me pre-answer them in a narrative so I'm reshaping resistance before the meeting starts. That's not just editing words, that's preemptive influence. You're not waiting for objections to derail your idea. You're designing your message so objections become refinements, not roadblocks. This is what senior leaders do. They don't wait till the idea lands. They architect the conversation so it has to. When you start prompting this way, you're training yourself to think upstream of resistance. That's how you go from being heard to being trusted. Level 5, apply models to reality. A lot of people love asking, explain second-order thinking. That's academic. Use this version instead. Use second-order thinking to evaluate this roadmap. Walk me through what happens in month 1, what likely shifts in month 3, and what second-order effects might we miss if we only optimize for the immediate goal. Now you're applying frameworks on demand. You're using models to stress test reality. This is the point where AI stops being a novelty and starts becoming your thinking partner. You're not quoting frameworks anymore, you're living them. And here's a master insight. Those prompts aren't just improving ChatGPT's outputs. They're training you to think strategically under pressure. Every time you use this level of prompting, you're rehearsing the mental patterns of leadership. That's how you build the reputation of someone who sees around corners. All right, let's tie this together to ground it in the real world. You've seen the 5 prompts. Now, watch what it looks like live in action. Most people say, draft an email to my VPA about this project delay. And yeah, ChatGPT will give you something fine, but it'll probably sound apologetic, like you're explaining yourself instead of leading the situation. Now, let's do it the think tank way. Act as a communication strategist. I'm briefing my VP about a project delay. Help me structure an email that opens with what we learned. Number 2, frames what we're protecting by slowing down. And 3, ends with a clear decision I need from her. Use confident executive level language that makes the delay sound strategic, not reactive. That's a completely different mindset. Instead of asking for output, you're defining roles, context, and intent. You're training ChatGPT to think with you, not for you. AI won't make you strategic, but it can help train you to think strategically. Use it as a task bot, you'll move faster. Use it as a think tank, you'll think smarter. Before your next session, ask, am I prompting for answers or understanding? One builds motion, the other builds power. Watch the next video and check back so we can connect, learn, and innovate together.